Wanna know how to check your account balance in TaskRabbit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your TaskRabbit app or the web browser. Just simply head towards web browser and type in taskrabbit.com, and you should be provided with this TaskRabbit interface right here, and make sure you are logged in as well. So now once you've done all of that, on the top right side you should be seeing account ID. Just simply select that. So now once you select account, you should be provided with various options. Now on the leftmost side you should be seeing profile, password and much more, and on the bottom right above transactions you should be seeing account balance. So once that is done, here you should be seeing your available account balance by default right here, and you can just simply check it, and that's it. You can also enter a redemption code to redeem stuffs, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one. Wanna know how to